Hey y'all, it is Thursday, June 17th, and what I'm about to say is honestly something I did not think I would be saying this week, and that is I'm about to run into HEB and film a small haul for you guys. I took a look at the deals yesterday, wasn't super impressed, but I remembered I had some Catalina coupons that printed, I think, in last week's haul, so I wanted to put those to good use, and I took also a look at the digital coupons, and I bought a rebates, and I was able to put a small haul together for y'all. I am planning on getting 8 items. It's gonna run me about $35 in retail. So before any coupons, about $35. And you guys know I'm all about those free and moneymaker hauls. But this one's actually gonna run me $2 to $3. But the reason I'm not mad about it is because I plan on getting bacon wrapped jalapenos, which are $8 on their own, hot dog weenies, and a bunch of other great items. So I'm super stoked about it, and I'm okay with paying a few bucks net total for the things that I'm gonna get. Also, I want to say, as always, thank you guys for tuning in with me. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my hauls. So, one last thing before we run into the store. I wanted to talk about Catalina coupons. So here at HEB, there is truly no rhyme or reason why one receives Catalina coupons. You guys always ask me, how do I get the ones you got? How do I get them? I never get them. What do I need to do? And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason why you receive them. I receive them roughly 1 to 2 times a month. It really just depends. Sometimes, I've been in I guess a drought, you could say, and haven't received any. It just really varies. But my biggest tip to you guys is to use your HEB app for your coupons. It obviously tracks your spending. It even tells you in there how much you have saved for, I think it's either a year or a lifetime using that HEB app. So use your app instead of those yellow coupons that hang in the store. They can't track you that way, so they can't basically reward you with any coupons. So make sure you are using your app instead of those yellow coupons. I know it's super tempting, but just use that, and that is my absolute biggest tip that I can offer in order to receive Catalina coupons. And also, if you don't know what I mean by Catalina coupons, it is these coupons right here that print at the register at the end of your transaction. It usually comes out in a long list of them, and then you can cut them and use them as you so choose. And that's what I mean by Catalinas. And again, just use your app in the hopes to have some print out for you. Okay guys, if you have any more questions on that, drop that in the comments below, or if you have any additional tips maybe for me that I didn't think of, I'll be happy to hear those in the comments. All right guys, let's go run in there and check out the deals. All right y'all, so the first item we're going to grab is 1 pack of the jalapeno poppers that I mentioned. I originally came in to grab 1 pack of the cream cheese poppers, but then saw that these boudin poppers have a 25% off coupon with them, as they are just expiring within the next couple of days. So I'm gonna try to grab one of those for 25% off and use this $4 Catalina that I got on a previous purchase, hoping they'll work together. Normally when you have a percentage coupon at HEB and a manufacturer's coupon, they do not work, and I think sometimes store coupons, so I'm hoping these work together. If not, I will just come back for the cream cheese pack. Next, I'm going to grab 1 bottle of the HEB Specialty Series barbecue sauce. They are $2, and last week a Catalina also printed for a free bottle, so going to grab one of those. The last Catalina coupon that I'm going to use is for these HEB Texas Heritage hot dog weenies. They're $3.99, and the Catalina is good for $2 off, so it'll make 1 pack $8.99. I shared this deal last week in my HEB haul. It is still available if you haven't redeemed it yet. You can buy one of these Betty Crocker Galaxy or Unicorn cupcake kits for $4.98, and just clip the digital on the app and it'll be free at checkout. I also shared this deal last week where you buy one of these Neutrogena acne facial bars for $2.74. I think at the other store they were $2.62, but at this one they're $2.74, and you clip the $2.50 digital and you'll just pay 24 cents out of pocket for it. And remember, make sure it is the orange bar and not the black and blue one. So here's a deal I found on this one specific color of CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. They are on clearance for $3.33. Right now, HEB has their 25% off, basically like beauty deal going on. It's on beauty cosmetics, nail, personal, hair, just a bunch of stuff. So that's gonna make this an additional 25% off. And then I'm gonna submit my receipt to coupons.com and get back $3. Coupons.com says it cannot be combined with any other manufacturer's coupons or rebates, and technically the 25% off is a store coupon, so it should take it, but I will update you guys and let you know if they do or not. Similar to the previous deal, these CoverGirl foundations are on clearance for $3.97. I'm gonna use the 25% off coupon at checkout and then upload my receipt to coupons.com afterwards and get back $3, which is gonna make one of these completely free. Here's an Ibotta deal that is catching 2 rebates. These Nature Truth chewable papaya enzyme tablets are $3.97. There is a $2 digital on the HEB app, and you'll also get back $2 on Ibotta. So in addition to that $2, it is catching a 10-cent any offer, so it makes it a small moneymaker. So I'm wrapping up my haul with a Breathe Right deal. These are located right by the door at my store, and it's super loud, so I went ahead and moved to another aisle. I shared this deal last week, but the deal has actually gotten a little sweeter since then. I did share it over on Instagram last week, but I want to share it here with you guys too, and I'm gonna add it to my haul. These are $3.69. You'll get back $3 on Ibotta, and now you can get back $1.75 on checkout 51. So that makes one of these free plus a $1.06 moneymaker. All right, y'all, I'm all finished up in store. I forgot to mention that I did use a 3 off of 30 new account basket coupon. In order to get those, you just have to create a new account. So I used that, and as far as checkout went, for some reason that beauty coupon says unlimited, but it only gave me 99 cents off, so it basically shorted me for the eyebrow pencils. Luckily, I had an awesome cashier. She helped me out with that and gave me the additional 82 or 83 cents that it was. And then the only other issue that I had was my jalapeno poppers. Catalina did not go through, but like I said, she was awesome and pushed that through for me. So now I'm gonna head home, go over my final totals, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, not a whole lot to recap as far as the rebates go. I uploaded my receipt to Ibotta and I got back all the credit for that, so that was perfect. And then I also uploaded my receipt to checkout 51 and got the credit back for that super quick, so that was great. The only thing I'm waiting on is my receipt to go through for coupons.com, but coupons.com generally takes a little bit longer, and I'm not too worried about getting the credit. I'm pretty sure I will get that $6 back for the CoverGirl, so make sure to check your stores on that. Generally, HEB is pretty consistent on clearance, so check your store. With all of that in consideration, I came out a little bit better than I had hoped. I paid right over $1 net total for everything, which I'm super stoked about. I know it wasn't a free or moneymaker transaction, but for the stuff I got, I will take $1. So that's all I have as far as my HEB haul goes, guys. Thanks as always for tuning in. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I enjoy taking you guys along with me for all of my hauls, and I can't wait to do this again next week. So thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.